Ninja Squad. It's your boy 214 Fiero guy coming back with a brand new video. Oh my god, y'all. It is so chilly out here in Texas today. Yeah. If y'all not following me up on YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram, please do so at 214 Fiero guy. And if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell. And also please triple smash that like button for your boy, because you already know what it is. So today we're actually going to be working on the brand new cup holder that I had gotten from Factory Adjacent. Now, what Factory Adjacent does, they actually do up-to-date stuff for Fieros and a lot of other cars. So definitely, if you have not, go ahead and go check them out. Go see what you can buy from them. All right, y'all. So yeah, I had bought these cup holders like about 2 weeks ago, and so the main thing is, oh my god, it's cold, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all, but the main thing is I'm just trying to do something a little bit different, because when we were to go to the car, hold on, yeah, y'all. So sorry about that. I had got a phone call, but like on how I was saying, main thing is, as you can tell, so I got these cup holders from one of my buddies in the club. If none of the brand new subscribers know, I am a part of North Texas Fiero Club, and I've been a part of them for about 5 years, and this is me and my wife's second Fiero. So you know what I'm saying. So I do have videos back in the day when I did have my notch back, and so now we got the GT. So you know what I'm saying. So right now I have a lot more things coming for the Fiero, not just wheels, you know, interior parts. You know what I'm saying. I'm gonna be hopefully in the future painting this car. I know right now it still looks good. Yeah, you still gonna have paint chips falling all off and everything, but it's all good though. We are here, you know what I'm saying. And so this car is not going nowhere. If the other things happen, hey, we gonna go ahead and take care of that. But otherwise, definitely. All right, y'all. So just like the main thing is, me and my wife, we wanted to do something different, because with these cup holders are great, but when it comes down to it, we kind of need our leg room. We also need to make sure that the drinks are secured, because I tell you, you know what I'm saying, you got some drinks that are not secured, and you got some drinks that are secure. So definitely we're about to go ahead and handle that right now. All right, y'all. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so at 214 Fiero guy. Please triple smash that like button, and please turn on all notifications, because I have a lot more bangers coming for y'all. You know, I know right now I'm trying to get back in the habit of getting in the rhythm. I know I was in the rhythm a few months ago, so I'm trying to get back and getting in the habit of getting in the rhythm. You know, I do have some other great things coming up. Like, I have a really big video coming up in the springtime. So definitely just stay tuned to my channel, because when you see it, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get to installing these cup holders. All right, y'all. So to take off the battery, all you need is a 10mm socket or a 5/16 socket to take off the battery. So go ahead and get to it. Yeah, y'all. So the main thing is, you know, I've been so happy with Fieros, y'all, that, you know, I would never want to change up my style of car. You know, now don't get me wrong, I have other cars that I do want to add to my arsenal, y'all, but at the same time too, Fieros is my life, you know. And I tell you, definitely, it's probably one of the best things, it's probably one of the best choices that I ever made in my life. So definitely, and I tell you that, you know, it has been wonderful, you know, just to be a Fiero guy. Definitely, you know. You know, and I'm just very happy to be in this club, you know, with this family, because, you know, this is not just a car group, y'all. This right here is actually a real family, you know, that actually cares for you. You know what I'm saying? So if some go down with your car, they willing to help, you know, and they're not just willing to tell you, oh yeah, well, you can learn on your own, or things like that. They're actually willing to help, stop and help, see what's going on with your car, see if they can help you, get better in that situation and stuff like that. So I'm very happy with this club, y'all. So definitely, y'all. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get inside and let's go ahead and start taking out this middle of this cup holder. Let's go. All right, yeah. So what I'm doing is just unscrewing these. All right, yeah. So all right, y'all. So as y'all can tell, I did get it off and everything. So all it does, it just unplugs from the back. Now, also a helpful tool, if you have a different vehicle, y'all, outside of a Fiero or outside of any old school, definitely get you one of these, because it took me a while to find one of these, but I finally got one, and I definitely needed this, y'all. So definitely. All right, y'all. So. All this shit right here. Yeah. Ooh, it's a lot of dirt. Ooh. It's a lot of dirt, y'all. There's a lot of dirt. It's a lot of freaking dirt, y'all. Oh my God, it's dirty up in here. Wow, this thing is dirty. Alright, y'all. So we just gonna repeat that process. It's the same process as what we done before. Just gonna repeat it. Then you gotta take the cup holders out first, y'all. And like I was saying earlier, y'all, we do have more stuff coming for the Fiero. So just stay tuned to the channel. You know, I will be getting the content out for y'all, so just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so now all we gotta do now is just add the cups. Alright, y'all, so we are officially done with the cup holder. Now I'm going to explain to y'all the reason why I am not hooking up the USB port. Well, the thing is, I'm actually going to be doing something else with the USB port, so I'm not going to really be hooking that up. I'm definitely going to probably end up putting in a block or something right here just to block it up, but otherwise I am not going to be doing a USB port from my cup holder. Yeah, some other things right now, which in a future video, you know, or in a, you know what I'm saying, or in a few episodes later, or however you want to say it, I will be looking for some new wheels for the Fiero. Now, the thing is, I don't know what wheels I'm gonna be looking for, but I'm gonna be looking for something different. Cause I know, like, a few years back, if y'all do not remember the video when I had put it out before I had went to Texas Whip Fest that year, which was like 2024, I believe, or 2023, it was one of them. I had went out and bought some 88 mag wheels for my 85 SE V6 automatic Fiero. And they actually fit perfectly. They worked out perfectly. Everything went on right. I thank Omar for putting on my wheels and tires for me. They actually had gave me a really, really good rate. So I'm definitely going to be going back to them when I get my new rims for my Fiero. So definitely stay tuned to my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please let me know on what you think about this video. And definitely hit that hype button for your boy, because I tell you, we ain't doing nothing but going up from here. So definitely stay tuned to your boy. It's your boy 214 Fiero guy, and I'm out.